In this video, we will demonstrate how to refactor code using the JetBrains AI Assistant and Writer on an ASP.NET web application. To begin, I have opened the default ASP.NET MVC Web Application and modified the Home Controller class. The class now contains a list of items, and the index function has been changed to return a subset of these items, which are then passed into a page model. This is a common task on many web applications, and with C# using LINQ, there are many different ways to write the code to achieve this. In my example, I have implemented a messy and unoptimized way to select the items, an approach that is inefficient and spread across many lines of code. Let's use the AI to help us refactor this. Select the code you want to refactor, in this case, the index function. Then right-click, choose AI Actions, and click Suggest Refactoring. The AI Assistant will automatically begin writing an explanation of how to refactor the code, as well as the new refactored code. Let's review. It suggests that we move some magic numbers that are hard-coded into the function to the top as constants. It also moves the filtering logic into a function with a clear name. Finally, the actual LINQ statement has been consolidated to one line for easier readability and more efficient processing. I will apply these changes here. Now, this function is easier to read and will be easier for other developers to maintain in the future. Thanks for watching.